In this module, we're going to discuss the WebHoncho Investor Office Email Manager. This will allow you to stay in touch with any of your leads or contacts or other folks that you want to add into your email manager. We'll start off by logging in to your investor office. Once you're logged in, you would go over to Admin Portal, select Email, and we're going to create an email. Now you'll notice here the email addresses we have is all test data. So what we can do here is take any contact, seller, or buyer that we have in our system, and we can push them over into the to box. Then we can come down here. We could add any other email addresses that aren't necessarily in our database as a buyer, seller, or a contact. You can put your email together. It will automatically come from your default email address, and then you can create an email. Now you have all the same features within this text box that you would in like a Microsoft Word type application. You can do bold, underline, italics. You can insert pictures, anything like that to create messages to send to your leads or your contacts. You could also use this to create newsletters or any other type of communication that you want to have with your leads or contacts. So let's go ahead and create an email. So we can push them over one at a time here, or you can do several at a time. So looks like we've got Jennifer Aniston and Marlon Brando here and Joe Investor. Let's select those three and we'll push them over. There you go. And we could select any other amount here that we would like and push all of this over to our to selection. Alright, if you go down here, you could also add additional email addresses that aren't necessarily in your investor office database. So we'll go ahead and add one here. And you can select, just like you would a normal email, put in your subject, and then create your email. Like I said earlier, you can bold, you can highlight, you can underline, anything that you could typically do in a Word type of application. Once your email is done, you come down here, select send email, ask you if you're sure you want to proceed, you say okay, and you sent your email, and then it will show you sent emails that you've sent in the past. Obviously these are all test emails since this is one of our demo systems. So again, you come to email, you can create email, and you can view your sent emails. This will allow you to keep in close contact with any of your leads or contacts, and allow you to do newsletters or any kind of correspondence that you would typically do through a email type of communication.